Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to add Sling TV to your Google TV so you can stream live TV, movies, and shows directly on your TV. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Turn on your Google TV and ensure it's connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A strong internet connection is essential for smooth streaming. Step 2. From the home screen, navigate to the Apps section. This is where you can browse and download all available apps for your Google TV. Step 3. Select Search for Apps and type Sling TV using the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Select the official Sling TV app from the search results to make sure you are downloading the correct app. Step 5. Click on Install to download Sling TV to your Google TV. The installation may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 6. Once installed, return to your home screen. You will see the Sling TV icon among your apps. Step 7. Open the Sling TV app by selecting it. You'll need to sign in with your Sling TV account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up directly in the app by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, you can browse live TV, movies, and shows. Sling TV also allows you to set up favorite channels and use the search function to find specific content quickly. Step 9. For easier access in the future, highlight the Sling TV app on your home screen and move it to a convenient location so you can open it quickly. That's it! Sling TV is now installed on your Google TV, and you're ready to enjoy live TV and your favorite shows. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you.